Okay, it is just short of 10:30. We're getting ready to put the meat on. 16-hour smoke would be somewhere around, what, 2:30 in the afternoon tomorrow. But I'm giving it, I want to serve this to my family tomorrow night at 6. 2:30 will give it plenty of time to rest. However, because of the temperatures outside, I'm giving it a little extra time just in case. I can cook all the way up till about 5 o'clock tomorrow. So I'm actually budgeting for like 18.5 hours. But I'm gonna hope that it's done at 2:30. That's what I'm anticipating. 2:30, 3 o'clock. But let's go outside and take a look at what we did here. Okay. I've moved this onto the porch so you can actually see what I've got going here. Here are two of the shoulders. Let me shut this door. Here are two of the shoulders. As you can see, I've got the temperature probe hanging out of one. I've got the temperature probe for the pit here hanging in the back. Underneath there, you can't see it, are the other two shoulders. So I've got all four shoulders going in my smoker. This entire center section is built. Down at the bottom, underneath the bottom grate, is the water bowl. Here's the hood. I've got the cables running out through the vent. They're all ready to go. In a second here, I'm going to hook the hood up. Let's just take a real quick glance over here. Over here you can see the charcoal is burning. I'm going to be dumping it on the pit here in a moment. We're going to assemble the smoker and away we go. Barbecue Guru, you probably can't see it here in the dark, but it is 100% ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And it's on. Now the temperature probes aren't hooked up to it or anything at this point, so it's not really doing anything right now. But in a few minutes, when I hook this all up, we're going to have that rolling. So, charcoal's going. Pit's ready to go. This is 100% ready to go. I'm going to put this hood on now. Forgive me, this is going to get a little awkward here. Okay, the smoker is assembled. Two cords are hanging out. I marked them. This one up here on top, this is the meat. That's the smoker. Okay, so when I go to hook them up to the Guru, I'm all set to go. Now we're going to dump the coals in, get the fire going. Okay, and here we go, dumping the coals in. As you can see, the coals are sitting on top. I have a little pair of tongs here to spread them out, make sure they're all spread out nice. Okay, earlier I talked about the idea of them burning down, so you are aware. That method is called the minion method. You won't be quizzed on that, but that's what it's called. Let me get these few stray ones. There's no sense in wasting these coals up here. Alright, another one dropped. So now we've got a pit full of charcoal that's going. As those burn out, they will light the ones underneath, and we'll have a nice fire for hopefully the balance of the evening and a good chunk of tomorrow too. Alright, I'm going to pause it here. I'm going to get this all set up and ready to go. The next time I turn this on again, we will have a pit that is put together, assembled, and functioning and doing what it's supposed to do.